Hello, welcome everyone. So today I'll be demonstrating acupressure points based on Sujuk treatment by All Meridians. So you can look at the image like you need pepper, green gram, you need a paper tape or a medical tape, and you need a scissor. So basically these points which are shown on your two fingers, so it is generally called as a two-finger treatment, and with this two-finger treatment you can cure almost all the acute diseases, not very chronic diseases but almost all the acute diseases. Apart from curing acute diseases, we can easily increase our immunity. So these points which I have shown increases our immunity, so they prevent the diseases, and these points help to normalize the blood pressure, body temperature, heart rate, respiratory rate, etc. Also, they act on the hypothalamus, which is the seat of autonomic nervous system. So basically these points are curative and also preventive, and these the points which are shown on the image or the video can be applied to everybody irrespective of the age, right from small kids to the senior citizens. You can apply for anyone. And I have chosen the left hand because you can choose any hand. You can choose a left hand or a right hand, so it's up to you to use it. And there are certain conditions for doing this. Once you apply these seeds, this is also called generally a seed therapy as well. So once you apply this pepper seed, so you have to retain this pasted pepper seeds for at least minimum 2 to 3 hours. 3 hours, and you should not wet your hands. Okay, you should always keep it dry. So the better option is you can apply and go to sleep during the night, or you can apply it in the afternoon when you have minimal work. You can apply and you can continue with your work. So decide on the way how you are going to apply it. So I'll be uploading more videos on calming points, lung improvisation, oxygen improvisation, and things like that. Please do watch it. If you have any queries, you can write comments, and I will give the description of this treatment in the description box.